Welcome back to my channel. In this session we will use this desoldering tool, electric desoldering pump, to remove IPM, and we will see is it working good or not, because I received it from Temu online shopping. In last videos I shared its unboxing and its use, how to use on PCB to remove through-hole components, and I received comment from my viewer, used to remove IPM. I have this IPM based board. I will use this tool to remove that IPM. Compared to other more advanced and more expensive solder suckers, this one has a larger diameter of this screw on tip. Makes it difficult to use in areas where the components are on the board are placed densely packed, because its nozzle diameter is large, so its outer diameter is somewhat difficult to place in very small pitch areas. If you are using Pace, Ersa, Weller, so that are known brands. Even the Weller WR3M, which I am using, if we calculate the total price with temperature controller, desoldering gun, soldering iron, hot air gun, vacuum pickup, so its total cost will around $4,500. So that's not suitable for our local works. If you want to repair this board, the new board, it's around $40. For $40, I think that will not justify in any angle. This is IPM area. I will remove the heatsink. In the first step, we will retouch the solder to these pins for better thermal conductivity. Yes, this is the problem, that its nozzle is somewhat large size. If you see the other nozzles, this one thing is wrong here. If we have small size, small diameter nozzles, then this tool is really perfect. The second comment was that in desoldering process, it throws solder droplets on the PCB. That is that condition when we will suck the solder from here and we will leave the button in front of PCB, because when its pump will retract to create vacuum, if I will leave it now, it will spray all the solder in the nozzle again on the PCB, because its piston will return back to normal position. Just press it, remove it and throw in this area. When we are desoldering, keep pressing the button and then leave it. This is one condition. Now I am leaving the button on the PCB. Just suck the solder and spray in any other place so that the sucked solder will be sprayed away from the PCB. If you enjoyed this review, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.